This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing scope. Decide languages, frameworks, and experience because precision saves hours. Once done, choose GitHub surfaces, global search, code search, or topics, and set thresholds like 3+ years or 5+ repos. Next, craft initial queries combining keywords, language, and topic. Filters. Use parentheses and/or to group terms. This gives focused results. Make sure to record 3-5 test queries. They guide iterative refinement as you move into deeper filtering. Now you refine results using qualifiers to surface candidates who actually write the tech you need. Combine language Go with topic, microservices, or repo, company/project to find contributors. Once you have results, search code for unique function names, tests, or config to confirm real work. Also, sort by stars or recent activity to prioritize active maintainers. Make sure to inspect commit history and PRs for context. This reveals depth of ownership and collaboration style before you consider outreach. Finish by validating candidates. Check recent commits, breadth of contributions, and how they handle issues and reviews because behavior matters. Once validated, find contact info or use a concise, context-rich GitHub message. Reference a repo and file to show you read their work. If you hit dead ends, broaden keywords, drop strict thresholds, or search related topics. This expands the pool while keeping relevance. Quick troubleshooting tip. If search returns poorly ranked results, clear modifiers and rebuild queries step by step to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.